I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions. You need the account owner or admin rights to remove an account from Google Classroom. Once signed in at Classroom. Google.com on a desktop browser, make sure to back up classwork, drive files, attachments, and gradebook exports because removal can orphan data. Next, open Settings from the left menu and review linked accounts and enrollment status. Do this now so that, when you proceed, you won't lose student records or assignment history. Now you perform the detailed steps. Open each class and go to People to unenroll students or remove teachers. Use the checkboxes and choose Remove. Once done, visit Settings to revoke any third-party app access and disconnect linked accounts so the target account no longer has permissions. If you are removing a teacher account, transfer class ownership to another teacher first. This preserves assignments and student submissions. Make sure to confirm prompts. Some removals are irreversible. To finish, refresh Classroom and verify the account no longer appears in People or Settings. Check multiple classes to ensure complete removal. If the account is part of Google Workspace, use the admin console to suspend or delete the user, which enforces removal across Classroom. If files or assignments remain tied to the removed account, transfer ownership from Drive or reassign class ownership. Troubleshooting tip. If access persists, clear browser cache, re-authenticate, and contact your Workspace admin to resolve permission replication delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.